when we are practicing, it will be good. Like we will be asking doubts and they will be clearing. They give a chance, they give time to clear our doubts and everything. How many times you ask, they will be replying to us.
Okay. So now we'll go a little bit behind. So we want to know like from which place are you and where did you do your like education schooling from?
Yeah. Basically, I'm from Eluru. It's in West Godavari of Andhra Pradesh. I done the schooling till BCom. Till BCom, I done my studying in Eluru itself. Then I written my ISET and got placed in Andhra University of Vizag as a management student in written management. Post that, I worked for 2 years, and in this, while working, I learned from EdYoda, the data science, and then I got placed in Kagula.
So like you always wanted to do like MBA from the start, or it was something that you decided on the way?
It's on the way. Actually, it would be nice if I done some IT kind of things like engineering and then IT, but it happened. I done my MBA.
So you wanted to do
However,
engineering? Is it that you wanted to
yes,
do? Okay.
yes. Even now, I'm thinking of doing my engineering, but it's already 27 for me.
Okay. So like in computer science in specific or any engineering?
Computers or mechanical.
Okay, all right. So you did your BCom, after that you did your MBA, you worked little bit and finally you like did the program and got placed into a technical role. So like before actually taking the program, like did you study coding about on your own or did you have any idea about coding?
See, I have a friend. His name is Kiran. Okay, I have a small discussion about this with him, and he told, "Arya, you can do it." I don't even know what a variable is. The minimal part, I don't know even what is a variable. But after joining EdYoda, I learned many. They taught us from the scratch. Seriously.
And like, was there any time that you felt while learning, no, this is becoming very difficult, I can't do this?
No, actually no. Because when we are practicing, it will be good. Like we will be asking doubts and they will be clearing. They give a chance, they give time to clear our doubts and everything. How many times you ask, they will be replying to us. So that's
And
the
like
hard part in this.
And like many people say ki coding is difficult, we can't study coding. Is it really difficult?
I didn't find it difficult in Python. I don't know about other languages, but I didn't feel it's hard in Python because I don't know what a variable is, but now I can write a code, right? And if you get some this percentage, you have to pay us this much, she told me. And I returned my exam. The first one is a failure, as you asked me earlier. If I get 75, I'll be getting some huge discount. I got 74.